Hello everyone, hope you all are fine and doing your studies well. Today I Komal Thapar is going to discuss the fourth case of bill of exchange, that is when bill is sent for the collection to the banker. Yes, everyone. Now we are going to discuss the fourth case of the bill, that is when bill is sent to the bank for the collection. Okay, sometimes it happens that the businessman is having many bills and he thinks that it can be sent to the bank for the collection so that he can get rid to collect the money, because sometimes it happens he can forget the date of collecting the bill. So instead of discounting the bill, it is sent to the bank with the instructions to keep the bill till the maturity and collect its amount from the acceptor on that date. So collection की डेट क्या है? मेच्योरिटी डेट है. सो मेच्योरिटी डेट पे बैंक को क्या इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया जाता है? दैट द बैंक कैन कलेक्ट द मनी एंड just credit in his customer's account. Okay, so this is known as bill is sent to the bank for collection. The accounting treatment for the same: in the drawer book the entry can be done for the same. Okay, in this one new account has been opened, that is known as bill sent for collection account debit to BR account. As I told you earlier also, what goes out is credited, so BR account is credited and bill sent for collection account is debited because it is a पर्सनल अकाउंट एंड पर्सनल अकाउंट रूल के अकॉर्डिंग डेबिट द रिसीवर. तो ये एक नया अकाउंट खोला गया है एंड इट इज़ अ पर्सनल अकाउंट. तो इस समय यहाँ पे बैंक रिसीवर बन रहा है फॉर द कलेक्शन के लिए. एंड ऑन द ड्यू डेट व्हाट द बैंक विल डू एट द टाइम ऑफ actual realization of the bill, bank account debit to bill sent for collection account. Now it is the account which is giver now, because according to this account only first this account is debited and now the same is credited, because in this regard only the payment has been received and it has been credited in the bank account of the account holder. सो यहाँ पे बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट किया है क्योंकि रिसीवर हो गया है अकाउंट होल्डर, और बिल सेंड फॉर कलेक्शन अकाउंट क्या बन गया है, यहाँ पे गिवर बन गया है. सो अकाउंट होल्डर का बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट हो गया है एंड बिल सेंड फॉर कलेक्शन अकाउंट जो फॉर द टाइम बिंग इट हैज़ बीन क्रिएटेड, इट हैज़ बीन अगेन क्रेडिटेड बाय just writing the same amount which has already been debited here. Now I just explain you this concept with one example. So you just see in this practical problem, on 1st October 2016 X sells goods to Y for rupees 8,000. So in the books of X, first of all we are doing the journal entries. So X sells goods, it means the Y is the receiver, so debit the receiver, Y account debit to सेल्स अकाउंट. सेल्स को क्रेडिट क्यों किया है? बिकॉज इट इज़ एन इनकम एंड इनकम नॉमिनल अकाउंट के अकॉर्डिंग हमेशा क्रेडिट होती है. सो अक्टूबर 2016 फर्स्ट को हमने क्या जर्नल एंट्री पास की है? व्हेन एक्स इज सेलिंग गुड्स टू वाई, वाई अकाउंट डेबिट टू सेल्स अकाउंट विद 8,000 रुपी. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट लाइन. On that date, Y accepted a bill drawn upon him by X at 2 months for rupees 8,000. And after acceptance of the bill, I think now it is clear in your mind that the same entry will be passed in the books of drawer. BR account debit to Y account. BR, what comes in should debit, and who is the giver? That is Y. So it has been credited with the same amount again with 8,000. X retain the bill till due date and on due date it sends the bill to the banker. बैंक को भेज देता है for the collection. Now only I have told you, when bill has been sent for the collection, a new account is opened and first time it will be debited. So it has been sent to the bank on the due date. तो due date आपकी क्या बनेगी? अक्टूबर के बाद में 2 months, November, December and 3 days of grace, that will be 4th December. So bill sent for collection account debit to BR account with 8,000 rupee. Now next is X received the information from the bank that the bill has been duly met. मीन्स एक्स ड्रॉर को पता चल गया है कि बैंक ने जो इसको रियलाइज्ड कर लिया है बिल को विच हैज़ बीन सेंट फॉर द कलेक्शन. So this time you just see what will be the journal entry will be passed on the December 4 that bank account debit because it has been credited in the bank books and it has been debited in our X book. X is the drawer and it is the receiver. Receiver को हम debit करते हैं and again this personal account is closed by crediting the same to bills sent for collection account. Now we are doing the journal entries in the books of Y. Y is here drawee. Drawee के लिए क्या है first entry that purchase account debit to X account. Okay. The next when he is accepting the bill. So who is the receiver? X is receiver. So X receiver को debit किया with the 8,000 and what goes out or liability generated is बिल्स पेबल अकाउंट. सो जब भी लाइबिलिटी जनरेट होती है तो इसे क्रेडिट किया जाता है विद द सेम अमाउंट यू कैन सी हियर. एंड ऑन द ड्यू डेट व्हेन ही गॉट द इंफॉर्मेशन फॉर पेइंग द अमाउंट ही हैज़ पेड. सो बिल्स पेबल अकाउंट डेबिट to cancel the one of the liability and to bank account bank is giver here. So with the 8,000 I think this is clear because already we have done other three cases also. So some entries are clear in your mind. First two entries are always same and in books of Y always entries are same. So I think it will be easy for you. Yes, children, one more practical problem has shown in front of you, and the solution of the same also has been given to you, but it is advisable. First of all, you do this practical problem yourself own, and then you can check the answer with the same. In this practical problem, 20th March 2019, Naresh sold goods to Kailash. So the first journal entry will be Kailash account debit to sales account with the value 1250 rupee. Taking a bill at 3 months for the amount. So इसने bill accept किया है that bills receivable account debit to Kailash account with again 1250. So bills receivable account debit to Kailash account 1250. Now on maturity the bill was dishonored. When the bill is going to be dishonored, it will be returned back to the same person acceptor. So Kailash is the acceptor. So two bills Kailash account debit to bills receivable account and the Naresh paid 10 rupee as a noting charges. So once he has paid, so to cash account because cash goes out 10 rupee. Next on first he makes 1st July Kailash cleared his account by paying 1260. So what comes in should debit cash account debit 1260 and Kailash is the giver, so he has been credited over here with 1260 rupee. Yes, in the books of Kailash, first he has purchased the goods from Naresh, so purchase account debit to Naresh account 1250 and he has accepted the bill Naresh account debit to bills payable account. The third, when the bill has been dishonored, it comes to him once again and he has to pay the noting charges. So always this entry will be same in his book. No changes are there. Only in the books of drawer, the some changes are there when the bill has been dishonored. So bills payable account debit, this is 1250. Noting charges account debit 10 rupee and to Naresh account to 1260 rupee. And when he makes the payment on July 1st, the entry will be made Naresh account debit to cash account. I think this is clear to all of you. Thank you very much. God bless.